Welcome to my channel. Let's learn the names of some fruits in Hindi. Are you ready? Let's get started. In Hindi, we say phalon for fruits. Hey, do you know what we call a banana in Hindi? Let's find out. And the answer is Kela. Yes, Kela means banana in Hindi. Great job. Let's learn the next fruit. Do you know what we call apple in Hindi? Seeb means apple. Say it with me. Seeb. Great job. Now you know the Hindi word for apple. Let's learn another delicious fruit. Mango. Mango is called aam in Hindi. Say it with me. Aam. Aam means mango. Great job. Here comes another tasty fruit. Orange. Orange is called Santra in Hindi. Say it with me. Santra. Santra means orange. Great job. Let's learn a sweet and juicy fruit. Strawberry. Strawberry is called in Hindi strawberry. Say it with me. Strawberry. Strawberry means strawberry. Great job. Here's another delicious fruit. Pear. Pear is called Nashpati in Hindi. Say it with me. Nashpati. Nashpati means pear. Well done. Let's learn another fruit in Hindi. Pineapple. Pineapple is called Ananas in Hindi. Say it with me. Ananas. Ananas means pineapple. Great job. Here's a yummy fruit. Grapes. Grapes are called Angoor in Hindi. Say it with me. Angoor. Angoor means grapes. Great job. Here's another delicious fruit. Guava. Guava is called Amrood in Hindi. Say it with me. Amrood. Amrood means guava. Great job. Here's a beautiful fruit. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is called Anaar in Hindi. Say it with me. Anaar. Anaar means pomegranate. Great job. Amazing job. Today, we learned 10 fruit names in Hindi. Keep practicing these new words. See you in the next lesson. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.